ॐ शुक्लाम्भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹர. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதீஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமய்யப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वतीपरमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, good morning everyone. And thanks for coming early, 30 minutes. I was just telling Inga, in the Grace Lake Temple, there is the anniversary celebration puja happening at 10 o'clock. So I have to be there before then. So, okay, so let's see, Nikki, let's see. So, Vani, can you and Narayani, can you both do the 26, right? 26. And then today, Lavanya, you can be a student, and Sindhuji, you can be a student, okay, for the remaining.
Sure. Om Shri कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। ओम गजेन्द्र मोक्ष वर्णनम्। इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यखण्डाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनद्रौ कदाचित् तत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमादित्यकामम्।
Third line is Tvatsevaya, not Tat. Tvatsevaya.
त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमादित्यकामम्। I think I'm very off of the tune.
Yeah, so
Can you get me started?
Indradyumnah Pandya Khandadirajaha.
इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यखण्डाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनद्रौ कदाचित् तत्सेवायां
Tvatsevaya.
त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम्। कुम्भोद्भूतिः संवृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वा तैनं प्रत्यघात्सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम् दुग्धाम्भोदेर्मध्यभाजित्रिकूटे क्रीडं चैले यूतपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् जन्तून् अत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः।
The second line, Vanigaru, is Kridan Chaili, not im. Okay, it's a in there. The second line,
क्रीडं क्रीडं
Kridan Chaile. Yeah,
ओ ओके
okay, in there.
क्रीडं चैले ओके
Okay.
स्वेन स्तेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽयं खेदान्न प्रजानान् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते घर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूतैः सार्धं तत्प्रणुन्नोभिरेमे हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यार्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानां तत्सेवायां
Tvatsevaya.
वत्सेवायां वैभवदुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकार्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं यथास्त्वं।
Tvatpadai Khagriya. It's a gra there. Tvatpadai Khagriya Siddhyai. Third line.
ओके
Prapti.
प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै
Correct.
काग्र्य
Yeah.
yeah I missed the year portion I think.
Yeah.
ओके नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यधास्त्वम् आर्तिव्यक्तप्राक्तनज्ञानभक्तिः शुण्डोक्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्व्याभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत्परात्मन्।
Vanigaru, third line, there's no ya. Purvabhyastam not purvya. There's no vya there. Ya there.
पूर्व्या
No. Purvabhyastam.
पूर्वाभ्यस्तं यस् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीपरात्मन् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्तं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूपुरस्तात् हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यधारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य दीप्यते स्म एतत् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च
प्रगेयो
एतत् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं दृष्णं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश.
third line, can you say that again? And it's dishnyam. Ityuktvainam tena sardam gatastvam dishnyam.
इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं दिष्ण्यं.
Correct.
विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Very good.
Shri Krishna.
Wait a second, Narayan. The one interesting thing, right? So tad means that in Sanskrit. That. Twad means yours or you, kind of it refers tvam. Tvam means you, right? So twad is related to you. So because Bhattacharya is always addressing in first person, in Narayaniyam, majority of times you will hear twad coming up. So that's why when you every time you hear the word twad, it means he's saying yours or something like that. He's referring to him directly, right? That's why that twad word is coming there. Okay.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 26 Gajendra Moksha Varnanam. Indradyumnah Pandya Kandadirajaha Twadbhaktatma Chandanadhrau Kadachit Twatsevayam Agnadiraluloke Naivaagastyam Praptamaditya Kamam Kumbodbhuti Samvrita Krodha Bharaha Stabdatma Tvam Hasti Bhuyam Bhajeti Shakva Tainam Pratyagatsopi Lebe Hastindratvam Tvatsmriti Vyaktidanyam Dugdam Boder Madhyabhaji Trikute Kridan Shaile Yutapoyam Vashabhihi Sarvan Jantu Natyavartishta Shaktya Twadbhaktanam Kutranotkarshalabha Svenastemna Divya Deshatva Shaktya Soyam Kedhana Prajanan Kadachit Shaila Prante Dharmatantas Sarasyam Yutai Sardham Tvat Pranunno Bireme.
And the third line, Shaila Prante Gharmatant Garmi.
Oh, Dharma இல்லையா?
இல்ல Garma, it's hot.
Oh, thank you. நான் இவ்வளவு தர்மன்னு இருக்கா, நான் தர்ம தான் படிச்சிருக்கேன். கர்மாவா?
Yeah, Garma.
Okay. Shaila Prante Gharmatantas Sarasyam Yutai Sardham Tvat Pranunno Bireme Huhustavad Devalasya Pishapat Grahi Bhutastajjale Vartamanaha Jagrahainam Hastinam Padadeshe Shantyartam Hi Shrantidosi Swakanam Tvatsevaya Vaibhava Durnirodham Yudyantam Tam Vatsaranam Sahasram Prapte Kale Tvatpadeikagriya Siddhyai Nakra Krantam Hastivaryam Yadastvam Artivyakta Praktana Jnana Bhaktihi Shundokshiptaif Pundarikai Samarchan Purvabhyastam Nirviseshatmanishtam Stotram Sreshtam Sonvagadit Paratman Shrutva Stotram Nirgunastam Samastam Brahme Shadyair Nahamitya Prayate Sarvatma Tvam Bhuri Karunya Vegat Taksharudha Preshito Bhuv पुरस्तात् हस्तीन्द्रं तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यां व्यधारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य दे दीप्यते स्म.
The second line, just Nakra Varyam, not Varyam. I think you said Varyam.
Varyam தான் இருக்கு, sorry.
Varyam,
चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यधारीः. ओके.
yeah.
एतत् वृत्तं त्वां च मां च प्रगेयो गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णु पाहि वातालयेश. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Good. Okay. So we'll start with 27. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து like அந்த double header மாதிரி, it's like Kurmavataram followed by Vamanavataram. So two, we'll get started on the 30 as well. So first we finished 4 stanzas. So let me say 1 to 4 and then we'll get started. Durvasa Suravanitapta Divyamalyam Shakrahya Swayamupadhaya Tatra Bhuyaha Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapa Shakram Kakshantistvaditara Devatam Shajanam Shapena Praditajareta Nirjarendhe Deveshvapyasurajiteshu Nishprabheshu Sharvadyah Kamalajametya Sarvadeva Nirvana Prabhava Samham Bhavantamapuhu Brahmadhyaistutamahima Chiram Tadhani Pradushyan Varada Purah Parena Dhamna He Deva Ditijaculair Vidaya Sandhim Piyusham Parimatateti Parnyashastvam Sandhanam Kritavati Dana Vaisuraughe Manthanam Nayati Madena Mandaradhrim Bhrashtesmin Bhadarami Bodvahan Khagendre Sadyastvam Vinihitavan Payaf Payodhau. That's where we left last time. So we'll start with stanza 5. Adhaya Drutamata Vasukim Varatram Patodhau Vinihita Sarva Bhijajale Prarabde Matana Vidau Sura Suraistaihi Vyajatvam Bhujagamuke Karo Surharin. So we saw last time how because of the Durvasa's curse, Indra lost his power, and then they had gone to Brahma, and then they all went to Vishnu. And then Vishnu recommended that you go make peace with the Asuras and tell them that the best way is that let's all work together to get this nectar so we can all get immortal. And then they both they both agree on that, and they were trying to get that Mandara mountain and they could not get it. Then Vishnu, first time came, helped them put the Mandara mountain in there. And like we discussed last time, in 27, 28, 29, there's multiple times in the Kamal Dasavadara movie, multiple times he comes, every time in different forms. So that was the first time he has come. Now the second time here, what's happening is, so once they put the Mandara mountain, they need something to churn. So to do the churning, Vasuki, which is the king of snakes, so the Vasuki is now used as a churning rope so that you can turn the Mandara mountain. So when that was happening, your two people have to hold it, one on either side of it, right? So on the Sametala, there is a reason why. So first Vishnu actually goes to the Asuras and tells them, you hold the tail of the snake. So when they were given the tail end of the snake, they were like, okay, this is very insulting to us that you're giving us the tail end of the snake, right? We are more superior, so we want to hold the tail end. So the Lord says, okay, that's fine, you swap with the Devas, you guys hold the head end, and Devas, you hold the tail end. So that's why here it says that you did this in a very cunning manner, right? Tom Vyajad, it's a strategic move. You did it in that way because later on the Asuras are going to feel the effect of holding the head of the snake later, right? So now when I'd gone to Cambodia, the Angkor Wat temple, I don't know how many of you have been there. The Angkor Wat temple is actually a very big Mahavishnu temple. And on the Angkor Wat, when you come outside of Angkor Wat temple, and there are all these street vendors who are selling things, right? And one of the big dining table, that runner that you put on the dining table, one of the huge runners I got was actually Kurmavataram, with one end the Devas holding, one end the Asuras holding, and then they are churning it, right? That was actually the runner on the dining table that they were selling there. Anyway, so that's what is happening. So the asuras then are holding the head end of the snake. So adhaya dhrutamata vasukim varatram, comma, patodhau vinihita sarva bhija jale prarabde mathana vidhau sura surais taihi. So put a visarga at the end. It is sura asura together. So sura surais taihi, visarga at the end and comma. Next line, the ir goes away from vya, so it becomes vyajatvam. No ir there. Vyajatvam bhujaga mukhe karos surarin. Adhaya dhrutamata vasukim varatram pathodhau vinihita sarva bhijajale prarabde matana vidau sura suraistaihi vyajatvam bhujaga mukhe karo surarin. Sindhuji, you want to go first?
Sure. Adhaya drudamadavasugim varatram padodau vinihida sarva bijajale prarabdhe madana vidhau surasuraistaihi vyajatvam bhujagamukhe karo surarin. Adhaya drudamadavasugim varatram padodau vinihida sarva bijajale prarabdhe madhana vidau surasuraistaihi vyajatvam bhujagamukhe karo surarin.
Adhaya dhrutamata vasukim varatram patodhau vinihita sarva bhijajale prarabdhe matana vidhau surasuraistaihi vyajatvam bhujaga mukhe karo surarin.
Vyajatvam, and the last line. Vyajatvam.
Vyajatvam. Okay. Adhaya dhrutamata vasukim varatram patodhau vinihita sarva bhijajale prarabdhe matana vidhau surasuraistaihi vyajatvam bhujaga mukhe karo surarin.
Stanza 6.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரே ஒரு கொஸ்டின் அந்த இர் எடுத்துற சொன்னேன் இல்லையா வியாஜத்வம் because we are put வியாஜத்வம் அது அந்த விசர்க்கம் வந்ததனால தான் இர்
பேர்தா. ஆமா, the visarga is the if you don't have the visarga then the joining letter between those two lines is the ir.
Okay, so அதனால அந்த இது போயிடுது. Okay, thank you.
Stanza 6. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तधानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतर भारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषीं प्राणैषिः कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठां. So this is where the actual Kurma avataram is happening, right, in this stanza. So now they have the Vasuki, both of them are holding the snake and they both start churning, and when they start churning it really fast, and because of the rotation of that Mandara mountain, it's getting heavy and it is now beginning to sink, and when it begins to sink it starts going under. So when it started going underwater, then Deveshu, who the Devas who are your Tat Priyeshi, who are your most favorite, and you wanted to help them, so because of that you took Kamata Thanum. Kamata is referring to a tortoise, Thanum is form, so you took the form of a tortoise with a Kathora Prishtam, which has got a very hard back. So the tortoise, how it is described in the next stanza. Here it is saying this is why Krishna, you took the form of a tortoise to then help your favorite people Devas when the Mandara mountain started sinking under. Kshubdhadrau kshubita jalodare tadanim im, comma, dugdhabdhau. So first kshubdhadrau, first line is drau, second line is dugdhabdau, no ir sound there. Dugdhabdau gurutara bharato nimagne deveshu vyatitatameshu tat priyaishi, comma, Pranaishi visarga is there, so ich you put it. So pranaishi kamatha tanum kathora prishtham. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषी प्राणैषिः कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठाम्.
शुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषी प्राणैषी कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठाम्. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषी प्राणैषी कमटतनुं कठोरपृष्ठाम्.
शुद्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषी प्राणैषी कमठतनुं कठोरपृष्ठाम्. क्षुब्धाद्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यतिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषी प्राणैषी कमठतनुं कठोरपृष्ठाम्.
Now in the third line end, tatpriyaishi shad.
Tatpriyaishi.
Yeah, okay. Stanza 7. Vajrate stiratara karparena vishnu vistarat parigata lakshayojanena ambodeh kuharagatena varshmanatvam nirmagnam kshitidharanatamunninetha. So now Bhattacharya is describing the form of the tortoise itself. So Indra has a weapon called as a Vajra. That Vajra, the weapon, the thunderbolt of Indra, is made from the bones of the sage Dadichi. Our bones, they have made it and that's why it's considered to be a very strong weapon, right? One of the most strongest in terms of the strength, right? Like diamond is strong and the Mari this under strength. So here Bhattacharya is comparing it and saying your back was stronger than Vajra, stronger than Indra's Vajra, and then Vistarat, from the width, it was almost Laksha Yojanena, right? And this is again, he's a poet, so he's kind of saying, Rumba Perisa irukna, you have to give a hyperbole statement to some extent, right? So he's saying it's Laksha Yojanena. 1 yojana is 8 miles, so we don't know how big it actually was, but he's saying it was so big that it was almost like a lakh yojanas, right, in width, because that's when it can actually bear it. And with this, the mountain which had gone under the water, Ambodehe, which has gone in, you then lifted or propped it up by lifting the entire Mandara mountain on your back, O Lord, O Vishnu, which had completely sunk into the ocean. So Vajrati Stira Tara Karparena Vishnu, comma. So all of it, the Vajrati is a short T. So Vajrati Stiratara Karparena Vishnu, comma. Vistarat Parigata Laksha Yojanena. Ambodehe is there, so put a ich to join. Ambodeh Kuhara Gatena Varshmana Tvam, comma. Nirmagnam Shiti Dhara Natam Unnineta. If you want to break it, you can break it at that im. Shiti Dhara Natam Unnineta. Or you can say the whole thing together, Natam Unnineta, in one word.
Rajeshji, the first line, Stiratara Karparena Vishnu. You said one word?
No, Vajrati is one word. Vajrati Stira Tara Karparena Vishnu. Those are all like 5 words in there.
Oh, okay.
Vajrati Stirathara Karparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigata Laksha Yojanena अम्बोदेः कुहरगतेन वर्ष्मणा त्वं निर्मग्नं क्षितिधरनाथमुन्निनेथ
वज्रादिस्थिरधरकर्परेण विष्णो विस्तारात् परिगतलक्षयोजनेन अम्बोदे कुहरगदेन विष्मणा त्वं वर्ष्मणा त्वं निर्मग्नं क्षितिधरनादमुन्निनेद वज्रादिस्थिरधरकर्परेण विष्णो विस्तारात् परिगतलक्षयोजनेन अम्बोदे कुहरगदेन वर्ष्मणा त्वं निर्मग्नं क्षितिधरनादमुन्निनेद
वज्रातिस्थिरतरकर्परेण विष्णो विस्तारात् परिगतलक्षयोजनेन अम्बोदेः कुहरगतेन वर्ष्मणा त्वं निर्मग्नं क्षितिधरनाथम् उन्निनेत वज्रातिस्थिरतरकर्परेण विष्णो विस्तारात् परिगतलक्षयोजनेन अम्बोदे कुहरगतेन वर्ष्मणा त्वं निर्मग्नं क्षितिधरनाथम् उन्निनेत.
Stanza 8. उन्मग्ने झटिति तदा धराधरेन्द्रे निर्मेतुर्दृढमिह सम्मदेन सर्वे आविश्य द्वितयगणेऽपि सर्पराजे वैवश्यं परिशमयन्नभिवृतस्थान्. So because that with Kurmavataram that mountain came up, now all the devas and asuras are happy because now they can continue their process. So they all get re-energized and then they now start churning with a lot of force and with a lot of energy. And when that happens, they continue doing it for a long time. Bhattacharya has not said how long, but they keep doing it for a long time, but nothing is happening. So then they all get very tired. So what you then do is Dvitaya Ghane into both devas and the asuras, as well as Sarparaje into Vasuki, you, O Lord, are entering into them and you are reinvigorating them. You are re-energizing them by entering into their bodies to completely remove their fatigue so that they can continue the churning process. So, Unmagne Jhatiti Tada Dhara Dharendre, comma, Nirmethur Dridhamiha Sammadena Sarve. Avishya Dvitaya Ganepi Sarparaje, comma, Vaivashyam. It's two words, the Parishamayan Avivridas, two words. But then because in is there and it A is coming next, it becomes a double na. That's why it is Parishamayan Navivridas Tan. Okay, so Parishamayan Navivridas.
Or Parishamayan Navi in the Cholanama illa
Parishamayan Navivridas Tan. Yeah, you say because there are two nas there. The two nas, I'm saying the reason it is there is because it's one word ends with the in, other word starts with the a. So that's the reason it is there.
The third line, Avishya.
Avishya Dvitaya.
Okay. Tvitiya or Tvitaya?
Dvitaya.
Not V.
Not V. Dvitaya.
Tvitaya.
Rajeshri, what is the meaning of Avivridastan?
Avivridaha is to strengthen them. So you Avivridastan means you strengthen them. So by removing their fatigue, by going into their body, you strengthen them. That's what it means. Tan means you. Avivridaha is to strengthen. And the is just a joining sandhi, that is, it's Avivridaha Tan. And then the joining letter is is. That's all. Unmagne jhatiti tada dhara dharendre nirmetur dhridamiha sammadena sarve avishya dvitaya ganepi sarparaje vaivashyam parishamayanna bibridhasthan.
Unmagne chadidi tada dhara dharendre निर्मेधुर्दृढमिह सम्मदेन सर्वे आविश्यद्विदयगणे विसर्पराजे वैवश्यं परिशमयन्न
Avivridastan. Yeah.
परिशमयन्नविवृतस्तान् उन्मग्ने झटिति तदा धराधरेन्द्रे निर्मेदुर्दृढमिह सम्मदेन सर्वे आविश्यद्विदयगणेऽपि सर्पराजे वैवश्यं परिशमयन्नविवृतस्तान्
उन्मग्ने झटिति तदा धराधरेन्द्रे दृढमिह सम्मदेन सर्वे आविश्य द्वितयगणेऽपि सर्पराजे वैवस्यं परिसमयन्न विवर्धस्तान्
Parishamayanna vivridhastan.
परिसमयन्न विवृतस्थान्
Yeah.
उन्मग्ने झटिति तदा धराधरेन्द्रे निर्मेतुर्दृढमिह सम्मदेन सर्वे आविश्यद्वितयगणेऽपि सर्पराजे वैवस्यं परिसमयन्न विवधृस्तान्.
And the second line, Nirmetur Dridamiha, small e, so Nirmetur Dridamiha.
निर्मेतुर्दृढमिह.
Yeah.
Rajesh, ஒரு question, Rajesh. But இதுக்கு I mean English the transcriptல நம்ம இப்ப D க்கு டாட் வச்சா ட சொல்றோம், T க்கு டாட் வச்சா ட சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? இது வந்து M க்கு டாட் R க்கு டாட் வைக்கிறோம்ல, அதுக்குள்ள வந்து I mean
which under which word have they kept it in this context?
இப்ப இதுல வைவஷ்யம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா M க்கு ஒரு டாட் இருக்கு. So is there a different way to pronounce that?
No, it's just Vaivashyam. That's the right word. You know, I'll tell you why. Maybe so you don't say it as ma. I'm guessing English because it's N. I'm guessing that Vaivashyam because it's the im. Im is the letter in Sanskrit for that. So maybe that's why they are trying to. So instead of am, if am nu pota am அப்படிங்கறோம் im. Yeah, maybe that could be the context.
Okay.
Stanza 9. Uddhama brahmanajavonnamad-girindranyastaikas-stiratara hasta pankajam tvam abhrante bidigirishadayah pramodate udbhrantanunuvurupata pushpavarshaha. So first, like we are saying, first Lord came and put the Mandara mountain. Second, he came as Kurma Avataram because it was sinking and he lifted. Then third time he went into the bodies of all of these people to energize them. So now what happens is because they all got energized and they're whirling, it is now beginning to come up. So in the top when you spin it and you put it right, it starts coming up, right? So the Mandara mountain is now coming up. So when that happened, so you then hasta pankajam, your lotus-like hands, O Krishna, you put it on top of it to then retain it in place so that it doesn't completely spring out of it, right? So when you did that, so Vidhi is referring to Brahma. Brahma is called Vidhi. Girishaya is referring to Shiva, of course, and Adaya and other gods. So all of them are extremely happy, and then they all praised you, and then Pata Pushpa Varshaha, they showered flowers and everything on you. So Uddhama, double there. So Uddhama Brahmana Javonnamad. So that's one, say the whole thing as one word. Javonnamad Girindra, and then put a plus at the end of this line. Girindra plus Nyastaika Stiratara Hasta Pankajam Tvam. Okay. Stira means putting it firmly. Hasta is hand, Pankajam is lotus. So Nyastaika Stira Tara Hasta Pankajam Tvam. Abhrante Vidhi Girishadayaha is there. So Girishadaya, Girisha Adaya, two words there, but say it together. Girishadaya is there. Put a if to join it. Girishadaya Pramodat. So put a it at the end of that line and a comma. Pramodat So next line, the du becomes a u. Udbhranta. Udbhranta. Nunuvuru pata pushpa varshaha. Uddama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindranyastaika Stiratarahasta Pankajam Tvam Abhrante Bidigirishadayah Pramodate Udbhranta Nunuvurupata Pushpa Varshaha.
Rajesh ji, the first line, Uddhama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindran or Girindra?
Girindra and then Nyastai. The Nyastaika is one word. So Girindra, Nyast. So after you say Girindra, you can just stretch it a little bit, right? And then say Nyastaika.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Uddama Brahmanajavod-madgirindranyastegasthiradarhastapangajam Tvam Abhrande Vidigirishadaya Pramodad Udbhrandanunuvurupata Pushpavarshaha.
Hinduji, the first line there's a double na, Javon.
Okay. Uddama Brahmanajavonnamad-girindranyastegasthiradarhastapangajam Tvam Abhrande Vidigirishadaya Pramodad Udbhrandanunuvurupata Pushpavarshaha.
Uddama Brahmana Javonna Madgirindra Nyastaikastiratarahasta Pankajam Tvam Abhrante Vidigirisadyah Pramodat Udbhranta Nunuvurupata Pushpa Varshah.
The third line, Shadaya, not Girishadaya. And the full ya is there. Okay.
Girishadaya.
Yeah.
Uddama Brahmana Javona Madgirindra Nyatsaikastiratarahasta Pankajam Tvam Abhrante Vidigiri Sadhya Pramodat Udbhranta Nunuvurupatha Pushpavashaha.
Sorry, again, அந்த இடத்துல I think you're saying third line la, you're saying Vidigiri Shadya, you're saying id, but it's a the Vidigiri Shadaya.
Abhrante Vidigiri Sadaya Pramodat.
Correct. And then the last line, Nunuvuru Pata, it, not ta.
Okay.
Pata Pushpa Varshaha.
Nunuvuru Pata Pushpa Varshaha.
Correct. Okay. Stanza 10. Daityoge bhujagamukhanilena tapte tenaiva tridashakulepi kinchidharte karunya tava kila deva varivahaha pravarshan amaraganan na daitya sanghan. So remember that the asuras were holding the head of the snake, right? So when all this churning was happening, now there is poison that is actually beginning to come out of the mouth of Vasuki. And poison vandala, it's like, and the poison, the actual poison comes, there's a poison which comes in the next chapter, which is what Shiva ends up drinking. That's coming in the next chapter. This is the poison which is, or the fire which is coming out of Vasuki's mouth. So when that is happening, because the asuras are holding the head of it, they then all get completely scorched, right? So they really all get burnt. And the devas, who are the Tridasha Kule, so they are on the tail end of it, and they are also impacted, but however only kinchidarte, over only a little. So they are, so I think the lesson learned is first time when Vishnu gave the asuras the tail, so you should just take it, right? And say, no, I don't want that, and and the Marisa, anyway, but that's what they happened, right? And then they, so the devas are only little bit impacted. And however, because of the heat that is actually getting generated there, you Karunya Tavakila, the one you are full of compassion, especially to the devas, because they worship you and they respect you, you are now creating like Varivaha, as if rain is pouring. So kind of a cold environment is simulated there, so that the devas do not feel the heat of what is getting generated there, and you are protecting the devas this way. So Daityoghe Bhujaga. Bhujaga is referring to the snake. Bhujaga Mukanilena Tapte, comma, Tenaiva Tridasha Kulepi Kinchidarte. Karunyat Tava. So double th there. Karunyat Tava Kila Deva Vari Vahaha, comma. Again, Pravarshan. It's Pravarshan Amara, but remember the same logic applies. In plus R, so it becomes a double na. So Pravarshan Namaraganan na Dhaitya Sangan. So in the at the end of that word, the double na is because na Dhaitya Sangan, but not to the Asura. So there's a no aspect there. So it's Pravarshan Namaraganan na Dhaitya Sangan. Dhaityoghe bhujagamukanilena tapte tenaiva tridashakulepi kinchidharte karunyat tava kila deva varivahaha pravarshan amaraganan na dhaitya sanghan.
दैत्यौघे भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुले विकिञ्चिदार्ते कारुण्यात्तव किल देववारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन्नमरगणान्न दैत्यसङ्घान् दैत्यौघे भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुले विकिञ्चिदार्ते कारुण्यात्तव किल देववारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन्नमरगणान्न दैत्यसङ्घान्
दैत्यौघे भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुले त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदार्ते कारुण्यत्ताव किल देव वारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन्नमरगणान दैत्यसङ्घान्.
So third line la Karunyat Tava.
Karunyat Tava.
And then the last line Pravarshan. Sh. Okay.
Pravarshan Namaraganam. Okay. Daityauge Bhujagamukhanilena Tapte Tenaiva Tridasakulepi Kinchidarte Karunyat Tava Kila Deva Varivahaha Pravarshan Namaragana Daitya Sanghan.
Again, the third line Karunyat and the extra R. Karunyat.
Karunyat.
And கடைசி அந்த இதுல இருந்து வாரி ஹாவா
வாரி வாஹாஹா VAHA vaha vaha.
Long
see that's one of those things it's like it's some people say it's vari vaha a அப்படிம்பா, but நிறைய பேர் vari vaha ha அப்படிம்பா. Like it's the same thing as swaha, right? Some people say swaha ha அப்படிம்பா, some people swaha a அப்படிம்பா. So it's just very hard to say what is the right answer. It depends on who you ask, really. As to frankly, that is the thing, depending on who you ask, they will say that is the right one. So I kind of say, you know what, just நான் நிறைய இடத்துல ருத்ரத்துல I hear swaha ha தான் கேக்குறது எனக்கு. So I say that because I hear it that way.
But visargam vanda ha usually ha solluvom.
Usually ha da, but they say in some context where it's ending with a, some people say no, the rule changes, there's an exception to the rule and it becomes a. Appadina there is a school of thought. Okay, so in there's a couple of places in Sanskrit, like when the ha is there and na comes, then there's a exception to the exception to the rules are there if you check. But anyway, so anytime somebody is anytime it's a complication like this, I just remember Bhaja Govindam and say, why am I wasting my time with the Sanskrit rules of grammar which are so complicated, right? So on the context which I just stick to one thing, right? So anyway, but your question is vari vaha ha is the thing. So last stanza. Udbhramyat bahutimi nakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramatite pinirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajaha samrajan pavanapuresha pahiroghat. So in this thing, it is also a lesson of patience, because whole of 27 they are all attempting to get the nectar. Then whole of 28th chapter they'll attempt to get the nectar. Only in the last stanza of 28, Dhanvantri avataram will happen, where he's coming out with the nectar. But before that, lot of other things come. So here Bahu means many, Timi is referring to fish, Nakra referring to crocodiles, and Chakravale means other aquatic creatures. So when they're churning, all these other creatures are beginning to come up, but the nectar that they are trying to get doesn't come at all. And so the Devas and the Asuras get very frustrated, and then they give up completely. So when they give up completely, then Ekastvam, you alone, O Lord, Khara Yuga, you alone are holding both the ends of the Sarparaja, of the snake king Vasuki. You alone are holding both the ends of it, and then you are then showing them how it is done, right? And then you are then and then you shown very beautifully, because you alone are now continuing to churn this. So in this way, O Lord, you have helped Devas so many times, right, through just this Kurma Avataram. In a similar way, Pavana Puresha, O Lord of Guruvayur, Pahi Rogat, just eradicate my disease as well, just like how you have helped the Devas so many times. So with this, 27 is done. So like I said, 28, first the Kala Kutam comes, the poison comes, which Shiva ends up drinking. And then Lakshmi Devi, avataram of Lakshmi Devi happens in 28. That's the first time a person called Lakshmi. Lakshmi Devi is already part of Vishnu only, but in the name of Lakshmi, prosperity is coming up in 28. And then the Lakshmi Swayamvaram is also happening in 28. And then in the end of the 28th chapter is the Dhanvantri Slokam is happening at the very end, where Dhanvantri is coming along with the nectar. That's 28. 29 is where the nectar is getting distributed. So Mohini Avataram is happening in 29, where the nectar is actually getting distributed, and how Shiva falls for Mohini is also happening in 29. So that's where Bhattatripat stops. So there is a follow-up story to that, saying the Mohini Avataram and Shiva, the union, Ayyappa Shasta got created and all that. That's not there in this, because Bhattatripat is just sticking to what is there in Bhagavatam. So if that is not there in Bhagavatam, Bhattatripat is not saying that. Avladana the context. So that is happening in 29. Okay, so last stanza. Udbhramyat Bahu Timi Nakra Chakravale, comma, Tatrabdhau Chira Matitepi Nirvikare Ekas Tvam Kara Yuga Krishta Sarparajaha, comma, Samrajan Pavana Puresha Pahi Roghat. Udbhramyat bahutimi nakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramatite pinirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajaha samrajan pavana puresha pahi roghat.
Udbhramyad bahutimi nakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramadhidevi nirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajaha samrajan pavana puresha pahi rogad. Udbhramyad bahutimi nakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramadhidevi nirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajaha samrajan pavana puresha pahi rogad.
Udbhramyad bahutimi nakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramati tepi nirvikare ekastvam karayuga krishta sarparajaha samrajan pavana puresha pahi rogat. Udbhramyad bahutimi nakra chakravale tatrabdhau chiramati tepi nirvikare ekastvam karayuga कृष्टसर्पराजः सम्राजन् पवनपुरेश पाहि रोगात्.
Okay, now we'll go to Dashakam 30. So 30 is the Vamana Avataram, and that's really a continuation of the 29th chapter, right? So I'll say the first stanza and then explain the meaning of that. Shakrena samyati hatopi balermahatma Shukrena jivitatanuh kratuvarditoshma Vikrantiman bhayanilina suram trilokim Chakre vashe satava chakra mukhadhabhitaha. So in the war that happens between the Asuras and the Devas in 29 with the help of Vishnu. So on the Sametla, the Devas, because they get the Amrutam, so they are able to go and defeat all the Asuras. So Mahabali, who's an Asura, because Mahabali is the grandson of Prahlada. Okay. So you should also remember a little bit, right? You have to kind of put 2 and 2 together here, right? So he is the grandson of Prahlada, which means Vamana Avataram is happening only after Narsimha Avataram is happening, right? And then 29th chapter kapparame 30th chapter vandurudhu, right? It comes right after 30th chapter, because in 29th chapter Indra and others go and defeat Bali Raja. But then eventually over a period of time Bali is gaining strength. Okay, so this adnala the Vamana Avataram comes after Narsimha Avataram, but Vamana Avataram also comes after Kurma Avataram. Okay, now in terms of so adnala and the sequence is, but just because it is coming right after Kurma Avataram and Narsimha Avataram already happened in 26, right? So and that's the sequence of things which are actually happening here, right? So when Bali got defeated, what he then did was he then went to Shukracharya, who is the Asura's guru, and Shukracharya then brought back, and it says it brought back Bali to life அப்படிங்கிறது. But technically if somebody is dead you cannot be brought back to life, but I think that generally when they say it's a statement, it's like he was almost dead, right? He was fully, the soul cannot leave. Once the soul leaves the body, it cannot come back into the body. That doesn't happen anywhere in any of the Puranas, right? I think that's why you have to listen carefully when people are saying dead is the soul might still have not left the body. He could be like medically dead abdimbala sometimes, heart must have stopped beating or something like that. So when Bali was kind of dead like that, Shukracharya revived him. He brought him back to life, and once Bali came back to life, he started performing various yajnas to get even more powerful, because the Asuras wanted to get the things back from the Devas. So he started performing this yajna called some Vishwajit yajna. He started performing a lot of things, and by doing that he became even more powerful than what he was before. And here he's still referred as Bali Mahatma. He's still referred as a very person of high Mahatma he's referred, right? And he then goes and defeats the Devas, and Trilokim, he takes over all the 3 worlds, and he becomes very strong over a period of time, over a long period of time. And he was not even afraid of your discus. That's what it's saying here, right? Chakre, he's not even afraid of it, because he feels that he's extremely powerful, and then he's getting even more power. And he's in the lineage of Prahlada. That's the stanza 1.
So Rajesh ji, who is he praying then in the yajnas and all, if not Vishnu?
So I don't know who he's praying. So in the Vishwajit yajnas, what they say is when he performs the yajna, he then gets a lot of other weapons and other things which makes him powerful, right? So he could have been praying, and it doesn't say who. Maybe he was praying to Brahma, or he must have been praying to any of those people, right? Because generally even Brahma and Shiva, right, whoever prays and does penance and everything, they get rewards out of it. It doesn't matter if you are a good guy or a bad guy, right? Ravana or so all of them, when they do penance and everything, they pray to certain people, and then they get what they want out of it. Even Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, all of them same story. But it doesn't say, even in Bhagavatam, it doesn't say explicitly what, but it says he performs this Vishwajit means winning over the 3 worlds. So that sacrifice he performs, because of which he gets a lot of weapons and other things which make him extremely powerful. That's what it says. So the Devas start running away and hiding. That's what is happening here. So Shakra is referring to Indra. Shakrena samyati hatopi Balir Mahatma, comma, Shukrena Jivita Tanuhu is there. So put a ich tanuh kratu varditoshma. Vikrantiman bhaya nileen asuram. Bhaya nileen asuram trilokim, comma, chakre vashe sa tava chakra mukhada bhitaha. शक्रेण सम्यति हतोऽपि भलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वशे स तव चक्रमुखादभीतः
चक्रेण संयदिहदोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वशे स तव चक्रमुखादभीतः चक्रेण संयदिहदोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वशे स तव चक्रमुखादभीतः
चक्रेण सम्यति हतोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीवितः तनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वासे स तव चक्रमुखादभीतः
चक्रे वशे स तव
चक्रे वशे स तव
yeah.
चक्रेण संयति हतोऽपि बलिर्महात्मा शुक्रेण जीविततनुः क्रतुवर्धितोष्मा विक्रान्तिमान् भयनिलीनसुरां त्रिलोकीं चक्रे वशे स तव चक्रमुखादभीतः.
Stanza 2. पुत्रार्तिदर्शनवशाददितिर्विषण्णा तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना त्वत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोव्रताख्यं साध्वादशाहमचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा. So sage Kashyapa has two wives, Diti, Aditi, and Diti has all the, so Aditi who has all the devas, Diti has all the asuras. That's why Diti cha kulai means people who have come out of Diti, which is referring to the asuras. So Aditi is now getting very worried because her sons are getting very tormented, the devas are getting tormented. So she goes to Kashyapa and says, what Sharanam Prapanna, what do I, like she goes and says, what should I do? So Kashyapa is saying, you go and Sharanam Prapanna, you go dedicate yourself and start praying to Vishnu and do this penance called as Payovrathakyam. So Payovrathakyam, and these are two words here, Payovrathakyam and Dwadasha. Dwadasha is referring to 12. So this Payovrathakyam is a penance which is actually done for Putra Bhagyam, for them to get a certain type of child, and if you Google, there is actually online, there are details about even how to do it also. So where for 12 days you perform like penance, meditation, and you only drink milk. Right? You don't do anything else, and you're constantly praying. That's the thing. It's not just about verun milk mattum kudikkiradilla. It's also you have to be constantly praying for 12 days, right? And you don't consume anything, but you just consume milk, and you do this for 12 days. So Kashyapa is telling Aditi, you go do this Payovrathakyam, and so she goes, does it. Tvai Bhakti Purna, with a lot of devotion to you, she goes and performs this Payovrathakyam. So Putrarti Darshana. The next word is Vashat Aditi. Okay, those are the two words, but you say the whole thing together as Vashadhaditi. Say it together in one word, Vashadhaditi, but it's Vashat and Aditi. Vashadhadithir Vishanna, comma, Tam Kashyapam Nijapatim Sharanam Prapanna. Twat Pujanam Taduditam Hi Payovrathakyam, comma, Sa Dvadashaham. So up to that one word, Dvadashaham acharat Twayi Bhakti Purna. So double there. Dvadashaham acharat Twayi Bhakti Purna. पुत्रातिदर्शनवशाददितिर्विषण्णां तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना त्वत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयो व्रताख्यं साद्वादशाहमचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा.
पुत्रार्थिदर्शनवशाददितिर्विषण्णा तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना त्वत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोवृदाख्यं द्वादशाहमजरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा. पुत्रार्थिदर्शनवशाददितिर्विषण्णा तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना त्वत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोवृदाख्यं स्वादादशाहमजरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा.
पुत्राति दर्शनवसाददिति विसन्ना तं काश्यपं निजपतिं शरणं प्रपन्ना त्वत्पूजनं तदुदितं हि पयोव्रताख्यं साद्वादसाहम् अचरत् त्वयि भक्तिपूर्णा. पुत्राति दर्शनवसाददिति visanna.
And if you're finding it difficult, you can just break it at vashat. That's fine. You can say putrarti darshana vashat aditir vishanna. Just give a very brief pause in that case. If you're not pausing, then say it continuously.
Okay. Putradir darshana vasadadir vishanna tam kashyapam nijapatim sharanam prapanna tvatpujanam tadautim hi payovraktakyam sadvadasaham acharatvayi bhakti purna.
Yeah. I think in the third line, you taduditam. I think that's
Taduditam.
yeah.
Okay.
Stanza 3. Tasyavadau tvayi nileena-mateeramushyaah श्यामश्चतुर्भुजवपुस्वयमा विरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः. So at the end of it, so remember we said several times, right, that you have to have something in your mind when you're meditating so that, you know, it's easy to do it. And then the God appears, same like what happened for Dhruva and everyone. So in here, there is actually two stories connected to this, right? One is in when Krishna is born to Devaki and Vasudeva, which will come in the 38th chapter. And then Bhagavatatla, and it describes very clearly that when Krishna is born, he's born as in the Shyama Chaturbhuja. Shyama is blue color, Chaturbhuja is four hands. That's how he's actually born when he's born. So Devaki and Vasudeva are wondering who this is. They know it is not a normal human. They're asking. And so before he becomes a child, and we'll discuss this more when we come to 38, he actually tells them that this is the third time I'm being born to you, right? The first time in Satya Yuga, there was this sage called Sutapas, and he had a wife called Prisni, and they both were the first ones who were really meditating and praying, and the Lord appears in front of them, and then they say, we want a child like you. And then the God says, okay, I can't give you a child like me, but I myself will come as your child. And then some reason why they asked for 3 times, I forgot what that is. So the first time to Prisni and Sutapa is born as Prisni Garbha. That's during the Satya Yuga. Then in Treta Yuga now, to Aditi and Kashyapa, right? The Lord is going to be born second time as Vamana. Then in the third time for Vasudeva and Devaki is born as Krishna. So this Krishna tells Vasudeva and Devaki in Bhagavatam when he's born. In the third time, he says, I'm the third time I'm taking birth. The second aspect is, number first class I was talking about that idol which is there in Guruvayur, right? How this idol that's there in Guruvayur was first worshipped by Brahma. Then it went through all these yuga, at least that's the story it says, that first Prisni and Sutapa worshipped that idol. Then that idol went to Kashyapa and Aditi. So when she was doing Payovratakhyam, she's worshipping that idol. And then the same idol then goes to Devaki and Vasudeva, which they actually have in the cell. Because in Bhagavatam, it tells that when Krishna eventually goes and frees them out, and then he goes to Dwaraka, he actually goes and takes that idol from Devaki and Vasudeva, which they have been worshipping, and then goes and puts it in Dwaraka. And then Dwarakala, when that the tsunami or whatever comes, and then it's getting destroyed, that's when he's saying, that this be moved to Guruvayur, right? At that time, the Brihaspati and everybody is coming and actually doing it. So it's that same idol. So here, that's why it's you'll see the same thing for all three of them. They worship the same idol. And there's also one other story where they say when he came and inside the cell to Devaki and Vasudeva with the 4 hands and Shama, they were able to relate to it because that's how that idol was. So they knew that the person who had been worshipping in the idol is the one who has actually come in person. So that's the same thing which is happening here. He's coming in front of Aditi with Shyamas Chaturbhuja Vapu, right? Is coming in front of them, and then he says, what do you want? And she says, I need a child, etc. He says, okay, I'll be born to you as a child. And he says, keep this as a secret, don't tell anybody this is what is going to happen, but I will be born to you and Kashyapa as a child. The Lord disappears. So tasya vadau tvai nilina mathera mushyaha, shyamash chatur bhuja vapuhu is there, so put a is vapus swayam avirasihi namram cha tamiha bhavat tanayo bhaveyam, gopyam madikshanam iti pralapannayasihi tasya vadhau tvayi nilina matera mushyaha श्यामश्चतुर्भुज वपुस्वयमा विरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः
तस्यावधौ त्वयि निलीनमदेरमुष्याः श्यामश्चतुर्भुज वपुः स्वयमा विरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः तस्यावधौ त्वयि निलीनमदेरमुष्याः श्यामश्चतुर्भुज वपुः स्वयमा विरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः
तस्यावधौ त्वयि निलीनमतेरमुष्याः श्यामश्चतुर्भुज वपुः स्वयमाविरासीः नम्रां च तामिह भवत्तनयो भवेयं गोप्यं मदीक्षणमिति प्रलपन्नयासीः.
Now in the second line, the vapus is put it, I'm going to join that.
Vapus.
Vapus anga visarga irukle, just replace it with the is.
Tasyavadhau tvayi nilinamateramushyaah Shyamaschaturbuja vapus vayamavirasihi.
Vapus swayamavirasihi. So on the visarga ke badal or is, and then there is a swayamavirasihi is also.
Shyamaschaturbuja vapus swayamavirasihi.
Correct.
Namram chatamiha bhavattanayo bhaveyam gopyam madikshanamiti pralapannayasihi.
Yep. Stanza 4. Tvam kashyape tapasi sannidhadattadhanhim praptosi garbhamaditeh pranuto vidhatra prasuta cha prakata vaishnavadhivya rupam sadhvadashi shravana punyadhine bhavantam. So just like how we said earlier, right, that just like how once a soul leaves, it cannot be brought back into the body, right? Generally that cannot happen, or it mostly does not happen also. So similarly in this case, to get a child, right, is it's not magic, right? So in that, that's why here Bhattacharya and Bhagavatam says is you first got into Kashyapa's body, right? You had to first get into Kashyapa's body, and then you got into Garbham Adite, into Aditi's Garbham, right? So that's how the child was born here. So you first, that's why it explicitly says that you were born into Kashyapa. You first went into Kashyapa, and then because of all his penance, and then eventually Aditi also became pregnant there, and from that Prakata Vaishnava Divya Rupam was born a child which had the marks of a Vaishnava. Pathale Theri and the Quran, okay, this is not an ordinary child, and the Mari, it had evidence that this is not going to be a normal child, and it is and the from the form it was visible, and you were born on Dwadashi and Shravana. So on the Dwadashi, so 12th day of the lunar calendar, Shravana on the nakshatram. So on the confluence of Dwadashi and Shravana, whatever that day was, on that Punya Dinam, you were then born to Kashyapa and Aditi as Vamana. Vamana means just a dwarf. So that was not his name itself, right? So because he was small in size, he was called Vamana, and that's why it's Vamana Avataram. But they don't say what the name of that child is explicitly in this. So Tvam Kashyape Tapasi Sannidhadat. The it. Three words, three letters are there, right? The it. Sannidhadat Tadanim, comma. Praptosi Garbhamaditehe is there. So put a if to join. Garbhamaditeh Pranuto Vidhatra. Prasuta cha Prakata Vaishnava Divya Rupam, comma, Sa Dwadashi Shravana Punyadine Bhavantam. So I think for the next, I want to see if I can finish up to 6. So another Sindhuji and Lamaji, just say one time, okay? I think the meaning rumba, we spent too much time today. So Tvam Kashyape Tapasi Sannidhadattadhanhim Praptosi Garbhamatite Pranuto Vidhatra Prasuta cha Prakata Vaishnava Divya Rupam Sadhvadashi Shravana Punyadine Bhavantam.
Tvam Kashype Tapasi Sannidhadattadanim Praptosi Garbhamadide Pranudo Vidhatra Prasudaja Pragada Vaishnava Divya Rupam Swadadashi Sravana Punyadine Bhavantam.
Tvam Kashyape Tapasi
Sannidhadat Tadanim.
Tvam Kashyape Tapasi Sannidhadattadanim Praptosi Garbhamaditeh Pranuto Vidhatra Prasutacha Prakata Vaishnava Divya Rupam Sadhvadasi Shravana Punyadine Bhavantam.
Stanza 5. Punyashramam tamabi varshati pushpa varshaihi harshakule suragane kritaturya ghoshe badhvanjalim jaya jayeti nutah pitrubhyam tvam takshane patutamhum vaturupamadha. So in that Punya ashramam where you were born, everybody were extremely happy, and Pushpa Varshahi, all the devas were also happy now because they knew why you are born here. So they offered flowers and everything. So to your parents who are Bhadvanjalim, who are standing in front of you and holding, praying with both their hands together. So, and then they are praising you as well. Jaya Jaya iti. They are praising you a lot. At that time, you, Tatshane, at that moment, you became Vaturupa Madaha. You took the form, or you became the size of a Brahmachari. That's what it says here, right? Now, next stanza is where Upanayanam is going to happen. So it's technically not a Brahmachari in this thing, but I think what Bhattacharya is referring to is you become the size of like a 7 or a 9-year-old, because that's when the Upanayanam happens, right? 7 years, 9 years. So on the age or child Mari, you immediately assume a form, or your form grows to that size, of a person like that. So Punyashramam Thamabi Varshati Pushpa Varshaihi. So put a visarga at the end and a comma. Pushpa Varshaihi. Next line, the ha male, if you have a ir, remove that off. Becomes Harsha Kule. There's another ir on sha. So Harsha Kule Suragane Krita Turya Ghoshe Badvanjalim Jaya Jayeti Nutaha. So put a if. Nutaf Pitrubhyam, comma. Tvam Takshane Patutamam Vatu Rupamadhaha. Rupam Adaha.
Question, Rajesh. Adu takshanamma, takshanamnu potte
Takshane, you can change it if it is kshanam. Sorry, Shobha, you're asking something? Faint. Sir, we are not able to hear you. We know you're talking, but we can't hear it clearly though. Suragane. It means the same thing, Shobha, because Surakule means Sura Kulatla Vandava, which is Devas. Suragane also means Ganas, which are people who are Suras. It means the same thing, but just change it to Suragane for consistency, all of that. But it's the same meaning. Punya Shramam Thamabhivarshati Pushpa Varshaihi Harsha Kule Suragane Kritaturya Ghoshe Badvanjalim Jaya Jayeti Nutah Pitrubhyam Tvam Takshane Patutamam Baturupamadhaha.
Punyasramam tamabhivarshadi pushpavarshaihi harshagule suragane kridadurya ghoshe badhvanjalim jaya jayedi nudah pradubhyam tvam takshane padudamam vadurupamadaha.
Punyashramam tamabhivasati pushpavarshaihi harshakule suragane kritaturya ghoshe badvanjalim jaya jayeti nutah pratibhyam tvam takshane patutamam vaturupamadaha.
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 Correct. Okay, my last answer for today. Tavat Prajapati Mukairupaniya Maunji Danda Jinakshavalaya Dibhirarchyamanaha Dedipyamana Vapurisha Kritagnikaryaha Tvam Prastita Baligriham Prakritashwamedham. So then by Kashyapa Prajapati and others who are present there, the Upanayanam happens, right? The Punal is being put. And so Maunji is referring to the thread itself, the Punal itself. And then when the Upanayanam happens, they always give like a dandam, a stick which the brahmacharis hold in their hand. So they get a stick, that's the danda. Ajina is referring to the deer skin which is put in brahmachari's Punal. When they put a deer skin. So that is referring to the Ajina. And then Aksha Valaya is just a garland of beads. So just a Aksha Mala. So the garland of beads. So all of this, they adorn you with all of this thing. And Archyamanaha, and they all worship you. And then you looked in a very good form because of all these things that you are wearing and you are carrying. And then all brahmacharis have to do Samidadanam every day, which is the fire. You see the sacrifice, Homam Paniyana. Of course, a lot of us never did it. But in this case, Vamana, because he wants to set an example, he first does that Kritagni Karyaha. He first does the Agni Karyam that he has to do. And once he completes the Agni Karyam, then Tvam Prasita, you now left for Bali Griham. You left for the house of Bali, where he was performing the Prakrutashwamedha, where the Ashwamedha Yaga Bali was performing, because once you perform 100 Ashwamedha Yagas, you take the power of Indra. You can become the next Indra. So he was performing that. So you now depart to Bali's house. So Tavat Prajapati Mukhair Upaniya. If you want to break it, Prajapati Mukhair Upaniya Maunji, long E, Maunji, and then put a plus. Danda Jinaksha. So that's three words. Danda, Ajina, Aksha. Three words, but you have to say it together. Danda Jinaksha Valayadi Bhirarchyamanaha. Even that one also try to say it together because you can't break it. So balayadibhirarchyamanah. Dedipyamana vapurisha kritagni karyaha. So put a visarga at the end of that line, comma, kritagni karyaha. Next line, remove the is out. So tvam prastita baligriham prakrutashva medham. Tavat prajapati mukhairupanhiyamaunchi dandajiнаಕ್ಷವಲಯಾದಿಭಿರರ್ಚ್ಯಮಾನಃ ದೇದೀಪ್ಯಮಾನವಪುರೀಶ ಕೃತಾಗ್ನಿಕಾರ್ಯಃ ತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಥಿತಾ ಬಲಿಗೃಹಂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಾಶ್ವಮೇಧಂ.
तावत् प्रजापतिमुखैरुपनीयमौञ्जी दण्डाजिनाक्षवलयादिभिरर्च्यमानः देदीप्यमानवपुरीश कृताग्निकार्यः त्वं प्रास्थिता बलिगृहं प्रकृताश्वमेधम्.
तावत् प्रजापतिमुखैरुपनीयमौञ्जी दण्डाजिनाक्षवलयादिभिराच्यमानः देदीप्यमानवपुरीशकृताग्निकार्यः त्वां प्रतिष्ठा बलिगृहं प्रकृतास्वमेधम्.
So two small corrections on your second line. The second line mattum dandajiнаಕ್ಷವಲಯಾದಿಭಿರರ್ಚ್ಯಮಾನಃ. You say the second line.
दण्डाजिनाक्षवलयादिभिराच्यमानः.
Not birarchil, birarchyamanah.
Okay. दण्डाजिनाक्षवलयादिभिरर्च्यमानः.
Correct. And last line, tvam prastita.
Tvam prastita.
Yeah, I think you said tvam niketa. Tvam
Okay.
prastita.
And A தான் அது வந்து the reading it is like I'm getting confused.
No, yeah.
Okay, sure. Tvam prastita baligraham prakrita medham.
So on the word, the tvam, and the tvam means when that person is doing something. Then when the person is the subject, when you are the subject, it is tvam. Okay, and then when I'm saying, oh Lavanya, do this, when I'm telling you something or something, and it's not, when it's not the subject, it becomes tvam. Okay, so adhe mari the devi and the marilam varumbodhu, that's the difference, is whether it's the subject or you are calling them to do something, and the mari is a difference. Anyway, okay, we'll end it here. Om sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.